Hurry up.
What are you doing?
I'm taping you. Come on. Put them in the Put them in the dishwasher.
God, I feel like my brain's gonna explode. I'm serious.
Okay. Put the utensils in the dishwasher.
Okay.
Come on.
I feel like my head's going to explode.
I know. Just do it. Put the utensils in the dishwasher. Come on. Put it in the dishwasher.
I feel like my hand's gonna explode. Stop.
I'll stop. I will as soon as all utensils are in the dishwasher.
I can't take this.
Come here.
Mom.
Come on.
Stop being so sarcastic. I'm serious. Knock it off.
Okay, I'll knock it off. I will.
No, you're not. No.
Okay, seriously though, put utensils in the dishwasher. Gavin, this is going to take you all night. Just put them in the dishwasher, pick them up, and then you can wash your hands. See? You're causing more problems. I thought you were a smart kid.
Will you knock it off? You said no more sarcasm.
This is what happens when you smoke marijuana.
I don't smoke marijuana. You just said you wouldn't be sarcastic. What?
Hey, careful. I'm on one leg. Come on. Finish loading the dishwasher. Do you want me to hem those pants for you?
No, I'm fine.
Really? Because they look a little long. Are you almost done?
I'm done.
Because my battery is running out.
You knocked it off. You said no more sarcasm. You said no more freaking sarcasm.